Ever found yourself wrestling with common TCP/IP issues? In the world of network engineering, these challenges are all too familiar. Connection problems, for instance, can be like unraveling a complex mystery. You might find yourself diving deep into the layers of the TCP/IP model, trying to pinpoint where the communication breakdown is happening. Then there's the dreaded slow network performance. It's like being stuck in traffic with no detour in sight. You're left to wonder, is it a bandwidth issue or perhaps a server bottleneck? And let's not forget about the IP conflicts. Two devices with the same IP address can quickly turn into a battle of the networks. These issues, complex and varied as they are, can make troubleshooting feel like navigating a labyrinth. But what if there was a way to simplify this process? What if an intelligent solution could simplify the process? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is revolutionizing many fields, including network engineering. Diving into the world of TCP/IP troubleshooting, the complexity can be overwhelming. The myriad of issues that can arise, from packet loss to high latency, can make the task feel like finding a needle in a haystack. But imagine if you had a tool that could sift through that haystack in a fraction of the time with pinpoint accuracy. That's where AI comes in. AI has the potential to transform the way we approach TCP/IP troubleshooting. It's like having a digital detective on your team, tirelessly working to identify and resolve network issues. This isn't about replacing human engineers. Rather, it's about augmenting their abilities, freeing them from the tedious aspects of troubleshooting to focus on more complex and strategic tasks. One of the key benefits of using AI in TCP/IP troubleshooting is improved efficiency. Traditional troubleshooting methods can be time-consuming, requiring manual analysis and intuition. AI, on the other hand, can quickly analyze vast amounts of network data, identify patterns, and pinpoint potential issues. This means less time spent diagnosing problems and more time implementing solutions. Accuracy is another significant advantage. The complexity of TCP/IP networks means that human error is always a possibility. AI, however, can minimize this risk. By using machine learning algorithms, AI can learn from past troubleshooting experiences, continuously improving its ability to detect and correct issues. And let's not forget about speed. In today's digital world, network downtime can be costly. AI can help identify and resolve issues faster, reducing downtime and keeping your network running smoothly. But perhaps the most exciting aspect of using AI in TCP/IP troubleshooting is its predictive capabilities. By analyzing network data over time, AI can anticipate potential issues before they become problems, allowing for proactive troubleshooting. AI is not just a buzzword, it's a tool that can significantly enhance TCP/IP troubleshooting. AI is not a replacement for skilled network engineers, but a powerful tool in their arsenal, ushering in a new era of efficient, accurate, and proactive network management. Now, it's time to explore how AI can help us troubleshoot TCP/IP issues. Imagine a scenario where you're trying to diagnose a network problem. You're knee-deep in log files, configuration settings, and network diagrams, and you feel like you're searching for a needle in a haystack. Enter artificial intelligence. Step 1 is to let AI analyze the network traffic. An AI system can process vast amounts of data much faster than a human can. It sifts through piles of log files, performance data and traffic statistics, looking for anything out of the ordinary. By understanding the normal state of the network, the AI can spot anomalies that may indicate a problem. Now, on to step 2. The AI identifies patterns in the network traffic. It might find that certain types of traffic are associated with specific issues. For instance, a sudden spike in data transfer could indicate a DDoS attack. Or perhaps the AI might notice that network performance tends to dip at certain times of the day, suggesting an issue with capacity planning. The third step is where things get really interesting. The AI uses its findings to predict potential issues. Using a technique called predictive modeling, the AI can forecast future network conditions based on current and historical data. It might predict that a server is about to become overloaded or that a network link is likely to fail. This gives network engineers the chance to intervene before a problem becomes serious. Step 4 is the AI suggesting solutions to the identified issues. By drawing on a vast database of known issues and their solutions, the AI can recommend actions to resolve the problem. It might suggest rerouting traffic, adjusting server settings, or even replacing hardware. And because the AI learns from every interaction, it gets better at suggesting solutions over time. This brings us to the final step, the role of machine learning in improving the AI's predictive capabilities over time. Machine learning is a subset of AI that allows systems to learn and improve from experience. As the AI system troubleshoots more and more TCP/IP issues, it learns from each one. It gets better at identifying patterns, predicting issues, and suggesting solutions. Over time, the AI becomes more accurate, more reliable, and more effective. So that's the step-by-step process of using AI in TCP/IP troubleshooting. It starts with AI analyzing network traffic, then identifying patterns. The AI uses these patterns to predict potential issues and then suggests solutions. And all the while, machine learning is helping the AI improve, making it an ever more powerful tool for network engineers. As you can see, AI can make TCP/IP troubleshooting a much smoother process. So what are the key takeaways from using AI for TCP/IP troubleshooting? Well, there's a lot to unpack. Firstly, AI brings a new level of efficiency to the table. It sifts through vast amounts of data in a fraction of the time it would take a human, pinpointing issues with precision. This speed and accuracy are a game changer, minimizing downtime and keeping networks running smoothly. Secondly, the power of AI lies not just in its current capabilities, but also in its potential for growth. Machine learning plays a crucial role in this. Over time, the AI system learns from each troubleshooting process, becoming more adept at identifying and addressing issues. And let's not forget, this technology isn't just about fixing problems faster. It's also about preventing them. AI's predictive capabilities can identify potential issues ahead of time, allowing for preemptive action. Artificial intelligence is an excellent tool for TCP/IP troubleshooting, and its potential is only beginning to be tapped. Stay tuned for more insights on how AI can revolutionize network engineering.